Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the phrasal verb break down. It has several meanings and you will hear it very often in everyday English. Let's explore them one by one. Meaning 1. When a machine stops working, break down can mean that a machine stops working. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. Another example, the laptop breaks down whenever I try to open a big file. Meaning 2. When a person loses emotional control, break down can also describe emotions. It means someone starts crying or cannot control their feelings. For example, she broke down when she heard the news. Another example, he tried to stay calm, but he broke down during the interview. Meaning 3. To explain something clearly. Break down can mean to explain something in simple steps. For example, can you break down this grammar rule for me? Another example, the teacher broke down the lesson so everyone understood it. Meaning 4. To separate into smaller parts. Break down can also mean to separate something into smaller parts, especially in science. For example, food breaks down in the stomach to give you energy. Let's review all the meanings. Break down can mean 1. A machine stops working. 2. A person loses emotional control. 3. To explain something clearly. 4. To separate something into smaller parts. Thank you for watching. Use break down in a sentence and share it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.